right, good afternoon, bonjour tous. We're very happy to be here. Prime Minister, welcome. We know we've traveled quite a way to be here. We're excited that you're here. I think you know everybody that's here. The one face you won't see is our host, Mayor Jill T, because she's working on infrastructure issues, which reinforces the need for this municipal growth framework. And so she's not. But we do have Amarjeet McDavid here, representing the province of Alberta. So thank you for being here with us in Calgary. We value very much the long-standing partnership and your commitment to work with cities and communities. And there's been a lot of progress that's been made. We're continuing to work together to address Canada's biggest national challenges and to continue to be prepared for rapid population growth. We all know it's not going to be easy, but cities are by our very nature solutions-centered. So we've been taking ambitious near-term action on housing crisis, as you know, as well as developing long-term solutions to improve cities' ability to meet the challenges ahead of all of us. And we welcome the support through programs like the HAF and the recently announced 2024 budget housing plan. So we appreciate very much the opportunity today to talk to you about your vision and what you've announced in the budget, as well as the work we still need to do together alongside our provincial partners to build thriving communities. As you know, municipalities have limited tools to get there on their own, and you'll be hearing more about that today. You already have. I was in the last meeting with you. But we did yesterday launch FCM's paper making the case for a new municipal growth framework, a better way to empower cities to support the quality of life of Canadians. So we're very much looking forward to this. I'll ask you to say a few words, and then we will invite our friends in the media to find someplace else to go.
Thanks, Mike. What a pleasure to be back with all of you here at the Big City Mayor's Caucus. Opportunity to talk about some of the challenges you're facing, but also and primarily the challenges Canadians are facing from coast to coast to coast, and how we can work together across borders of government to really deliver for Canadians who are both facing challenges right now, but who remain ambitious for their communities and future generations. It's great to be back in Calgary. I haven't missed a FCM meeting yet, and I'm really, really glad to be here again for the 11th year, sitting down with all of you. And as important as that big speech and Q&A is, the opportunity to sit down with leaders. I just sat down with the executive and to sit down with you as the Big City Mayor's Caucus to really dig into how we can be there for Canadians is incredibly important. So glad to be back in Calgary. As Mike mentioned, Mayor Gondek is dealing with a water main issue that we've all seen in the news. Our thoughts go out to the people of Calgary who are inconvenienced and challenged by this situation. A reminder to everyone to listen to local authorities' instructions in terms of how we get through this in the best possible way. But Canadians are good at being there for each other in times of difficulty, as we all know, particularly Calgarians. As a federal government, we've been stepping up on cities. That means putting forward the most ambitious housing construction plan that this country has ever seen to meet the needs of growing cities, but also of young people who are finding it harder and harder to get into that housing market and even afford their rents now. So that is something that we've been doing to put huge amounts of money on the table to change the way housing is built across this country, even as we step up on things that I know have a huge impact in your cities, whether it's public transit, whether it's water infrastructure, or things like daycare and other elements that we know a national food program will make a huge difference in your communities as well. So these are all things that we're going to continue to step up. What we need from you is easy because you represent it. It's being ambitious. Being ambitious for solving the challenges that Canadians are facing, being ambitious about where your communities and cities are going over the coming years and where our country is going to go over the coming years. Stepping up in new ways of building homes, new ways of responding to delivering the services that citizens rely on, government proximity for in the municipal level, but obviously the federal government will continue to be there as a partner. Our latest budget is focused on fairness for every generation, and that means particularly making sure that our biggest cities continue to be welcoming places for our young people to build futures, and that is something that we're focused on through housing and so many other things, but I'm really looking forward to this conversation. Always looking forward to spending time with you all. C'est un énorme plaisir pour moi d'être ici à Calgary pour la rencontre du caucus des maires des grandes villes. Évidemment, c'est une opportunité pour moi de vous entendre et de continuer notre travail ambitieux sur un monde meilleur, des communautés plus fortes pour les années à venir. Je reconnais que je suis ici à Calgary, mais la maire Goddard ne peut pas être avec nous aujourd'hui parce qu'elle est en train de régler un défi dans le système d'approvisionnement d'eau qui crée des difficultés pour bien des gens ici à Calgary. J'encourage les gens d'écouter évidemment les instructions des autorités publiques pour passer à travers. Nous sommes là, en tant que gouvernement fédéral, pour investir dans le logement, pour répondre aux grands défis auxquels les gens font face à travers le pays. On a besoin que vous continuez d'être ambitieux pour vos citoyens, pour l'avenir qu'on est en train de bâtir ensemble, pour transformer la façon qu'on bâtit des communautés plus fortes, qu'on réponde aux grands défis, parce que notre grande préoccupation ces jours-ci, c'est pour l'équité pour chaque génération, de s'assurer que nos grandes villes soient encore des endroits où des jeunes familles peuvent voir leur avenir et créer la prospérité pour non seulement leur famille, mais pour l'avenir des générations à venir. Alors, je suis très content d'être ici et j'ai bien hâte d'entamer cette discussion.